Today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Lebanese lamb shish kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on half a kilo of diced lamb backstrap. Now you can use lamb tenderloin for this, you can even use beef if you prefer, so that's up to you. So we'll take that out, we'll make our marinade in this bowl first. So we're going to start off with about half a teaspoon of salt, about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, half a teaspoon of red sumac, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So let's give that a quick mix. And we're going to add our lamb straight in. We want to give that a good mix, get it all well coated and well combined. So we'll just cover that with some cling wrap, and we want to place this into the fridge for about 4 hours, preferably overnight for best results. Alright guys, so I've waited 4 hours, so we're going to go ahead and skewer these. So we'll take off the cling wrap. Now in my case, I'm going to put them on my long metal skewers like so. If not, you can put these on bamboo skewers or shorter metal skewers. If you're putting on bamboo, make sure you soak them first so they don't burn. So we'll go ahead and skewer our pieces on. Just like so. Okay, beautiful. Alright guys, so let's move on to our grill. Okay guys, so straight on, and I'm just on a medium to high heat. After about 30 seconds we'll flip our skewers, just so we're sealing that meat and keeping all that flavour inside. After another 30 seconds we'll flip them again. And basically all we're doing is flipping them every 30 seconds until they're cooked all the way through. This will only take around 4 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so we're at the 4-minute mark now. And as you can see, our meat is nice and tender, which is what we want. So in my case, I'm going to serve this very simple. So before we do, I'm going to get a piece of Lebanese bread, put it straight on top to heat up. Not only are we heating it up, but we're absorbing all that juice from the meat into it. After a couple of seconds we'll take it off. And let's serve. So you just want to grab your skewers and using the bread, pull it all off. And at this point we'll finish it off with a sprinkle of red sumac. And we'll add in some tomatoes, some fresh cucumber, and some onions. Now you can just fold this over, wrap it, and make an amazing wrap with it. Now personally, I like to eat my kebabs just with bread like this, and the beauty is, look at all that juice. This bread's going to absorb it and it's going to taste amazing. Now alternatively, you can serve it up with some rice, you can serve it up with a salad, you can do a lot of different things. Now if you want to add some sauce to this, you can add toum. There is a recipe on my channel on how to make that, or any sort of yogurt sauce would go amazing as well. And that's all there is to it. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.